This is the show where we figure out what we're gonna cook as we're cooking it. No, that's not what the phrase is. What is this show? This is the show where we figure out what we're gonna cook as we're cooking it. This series is meant to show how people actually cook. Sometimes you just have to make do with what you have. I always ask myself, what's in my fridge and what can I cook with it? The show where we don't know what we're making until after it's done.
How does this work? Like, what do I have to? Do I pick out? Do you pick out? Like, how do?
There are no rules.
It is about finding whatever's in your fridge and making it within like 25 minutes.
This is a whole new challenge for you, Wesley. I love it.
Oh, it's very exciting. No. This is the grossest food to eat on camera. I love it. I don't know that I would serve this to anyone. So we normally do a quick intro. Who we are, what we're doing here. This is my wonderful dear friend, Kristen. And this is my great friend and former neighbor, my cousin Jenny here with us. My sister Leah, and somewhere, there we go, my partner Greg. Greg, do you cook a lot?
What is in the fridge? Family edition.
So it's dessert edition.
That's delicious, and I have no regrets. Oh God, very hot going down still. Wait a second, you didn't list fridge.
I don't have a fridge.
You literally just mansplained in my face.
Let's jump into the fridge and see what I got there. Did I really just say jump into the fridge? Let's go over to the fridge and see what I got there.
Ah.